Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Sumaya, madam.
Sumaya.
I'm fine, madam. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm also doing great. Why are you wearing this? I don't have any problem. I'm just asking.
Okay. Because you said that you are going to upload this video.
Yes, yes. Okay, you don't want to show your face to public.
Yes, madam. I
Okay,
don't.
no problem. Sumaya, tell me what are the problems that you are facing while you speak English?
So many problems, madam. I'm facing so many problems. Like, if suddenly ask me about anything, I immediately I cannot answer them.
Okay.
And when talking with strangers, like directly, not on call, then I face a problem. Like I am unable to make a sentence in front of them.
Okay.
And one more thing, if someone is really good than me in English, then I fumble while speaking. Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, when you are writing, are you able to make correct sentences when you write?
Yes, madam.
So, in the presence of someone, you become nervous.
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? Are you studying? Are you a student?
I'm a homemaker, madam.
Okay, you are a homemaker.
Yes, I'm a homemaker. I have 2 children.
Okay.
And I want to make them fluent as well.
Okay, you want your children to be fluent in English. How old are your children?
My children, elder one is 5 years old, younger one is 3 years old, madam.
Okay. And the elder one is a boy or a girl?
Both are girls, madam.
Okay, both are girls. So the elder one, does she go to school?
No, madam. We are in Qatar. So here we didn't get admissions because this is the middle of the academic year.
So when did you move to Qatar? When did you move to Qatar?
We have been living here for 6 months.
For 6 months you are here, but you didn't get admission. So you will have to put them in the next academic year.
Yes, madam.
Okay. You are both daughters. They are not studying then. Have you kept any tuition for them? Or are you teaching them?
No. Yeah, I'm teaching them.
Okay, you are teaching them till the time they don't get admission.
Yes, madam.
Did you shift from India? Are you Indian?
Yes, madam. I'm Indian. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. You are basically from Hyderabad. And where were you born? In Hyderabad only?
I was born in, I don't remember the name, madam.
Okay, you don't remember the place?
Karnool district.
Which place?
Karnool district, madam.
You were born in Karnal district. Karnool.
Yes.
Okay. So your husband got a job in Qatar. That is why you moved here?
Yes, madam. He has been working here since 2017.
So you shifted now, and he has been working since 2017. So for so many years, he stayed away from the family.
Yes, no, actually not so for long distance. For what I should say, I'm not getting the word. We use it.
Yeah.
Yes. We use it to come, madam.
Okay,
like once a year.
You used to visit him every year.
Yes, every year.
But he lived alone. You just used to come and visit him every year.
Yes.
So now you have started living together for the last 6 months. Okay.
Yes.
That's good. And how are you liking it in Qatar? Do you like living here?
Yes, of course, because I'm with my husband.
Before coming here, you were living in Hyderabad. At your in-laws' place?
Yes,
at your in-laws' place?
My in-laws' place is Hyderabad. My mother's place is Nalgonda district.
Your in-laws' place is in Hyderabad. There you were living. So do you like it in Hyderabad or in Qatar more?
In Qatar itself, madam.
Okay, in Qatar.
Yes, I like Qatar.
So in 6 months, have you made any friends here?
No, madam. Because we don't meet with like neighbors. We don't have any neighbors because they all are in their homes only. My husband knocks at the door.
Okay,
Yeah,
you never get to go out. That is why you did not make friends.
Yes. Without my husband, I cannot go anywhere here, ma'am.
Why? Is it a rule in Qatar that you can't go out without your husband?
No, because I don't have any work outside. So
okay, since you don't know anyone, that is why you don't go out without your husband.
Yes.
Okay. And do your children play with other children, or they also stay home all day?
Yes, madam. They also stays at home only.
They also stay home all day. You don't take them to
Yes.
park or some place?
Yeah, we take them in the evening.
You take them to park. Okay.
In the evening,
So
we
are
take
your
them.
daughters happy here?
Sorry?
Are your daughters happy here?
Yes, they are very happy.
Okay, they are
They
very.
love Fateh.
Do you all go for an outing when your husband has a holiday?
Yes, madam. On holiday, on weekends, we go.
You go out.
Like in the evenings also we go out.
Okay, in the evenings also you go out. Are you missing Hyderabad?
Not at all missing.
Okay, you're loving to live with your husband, huh?
Yes, madam.
You must be very busy because you have two small kids. So are your
Yes,
kids
madam.
naughty?
My elder one is naughty, madam. My
Okay.
younger one is really decent. She's now.
Okay, she's the younger one. Hi.
Yes.
Hi, what's her name?
Name bolo?
Sumaya, what's her name?
Her name is Sidra.
Chitra.
Sidra.
Chitra. Okay. Hi, Chitra.
Hi bolo. Hi bolo.
Hi, Chitra.
Hi.
She doesn't want to talk. She's feeling shy.
Yes, madam. She's very decent and calm.
And the other one is naughty.
Yes, other one is very naughty.
Okay. Do they fight with each other?
Yeah, all the day they fight with each other.
Oh, they fight with each other all day. Huh? And they keep you awake at night or they sleep on time?
No, they sleep on time.
They sleep on time. Okay, that's very good. Why do you want to learn English?
Because ma'am, I have done my B.Ed. I want to do a job, like teaching job. I love teaching.
Okay.
So I'm looking for the opportunities here.
Okay. You're looking for a teaching job. Which subject do you
Yes.
want to teach?
I'm interested in mathematics, madam. Actually, I was a teacher.
Oh,
I was a teacher before marriage.
okay.
But after marriage, I quit my job, madam. It has been 5 years, like 6 years. So I forgot all the subject.
And why had you left your job? Because you had kids?
Yes, madam. My husband said, no need to do a job. Like you just stay at home.
And take care of the kids.
Said.
Now you're looking for a
Yes.
job. Now he's okay?
Oh, yes, madam. He's okay.
Okay. So in case you get a job and you go to office or you go to your school, then where will the kids stay? Who will take care of the kids? What have you thought?
I also enroll them in that school only, madam.
Okay, okay.
I will
You
enroll
will
them.
put them in the same school and you will also go to that school. Oh, that's a good plan.
Yes.
And you will go with them and you will come back with them.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
I can I can take care of them at school also.
Yes, yes. So school jobs, that is why they suit women because they can take care of their kids and they come back at the same time when the kids return home.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Like, do you work?
I make videos for YouTube channel. I used to have my own coaching center at home where I used to take tuitions for all subjects till class 8th and I used to teach maths, English, everything. But now a YouTube channel is keeping me so busy that I'm not able to run that coaching center. So I've closed down that coaching center. I'm now only making videos and doing conversations like this and helping people speak English.
I wanted to join in your institute. Before 1 month, I think I messaged you, but
Okay.
at that time I was unable to join.
1 month back, you had sent me a message that you wanted to
Yes.
join. Is mathematics your favorite subject? Do you love it?
Yes, madam. But when I was a student, then I really afraid of mathematics.
You were
I
really
always
afraid of mathematics.
got
You used to hate it.
zero.
Oh,
Yeah, 0, 2 out of 25, just 25 out of 50 marks, like I got.
okay.
Now I really interested teaching mathematics.
Okay, now you really love maths. When you were little, you used to score some 0 or very little marks in maths. So how come suddenly you started liking maths?
Because after my graduation, I joined as a teacher. Then I used to teach my children, like students. Then the management provided workshops for teachers, especially.
Okay. In B.Ed,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then I really interested in teaching mathematics.
you got interested in teaching. Since you were not scoring well in maths, doesn't that score count?
No, madam.
Okay, that doesn't count.
Only mathematics or physics. I took
So what do you teach your children at home?
They have their
Akha,
own
Gaga, and 1, 2, 3.
ABCD 1, 2, 3, Arabic, Urdu.
Okay. Do they take interest or they don't want to study?
Yes, madam. They are very interested in doing activities.
And do they use mobile? Because children these days, they are always on mobile.
No, madam. No, they won't take mobile. They only watch TV for
Okay.
some time.
What do
If
they
I
watch?
shout, cartoons, madam.
So Maya, I will give you one tip. If you want them to be fluent in English, put English cartoons because right now they are very little. They are young children. If they start watching English cartoons, sooner or later they will develop good English skills.
Yes, madam. But here we are not getting English channels, madam. Cartoons. Cartoons are in Hindi channel.
You can show them YouTube videos of English cartoons.
If I give mobile like to
Yeah,
watch English
it's not
videos,
actually good to
then
give
they
them
will
mobile.
then they
Yeah.
always scroll. They watch other videos,
Right.
other random
They are very young and they will get addicted to mobile. You should talk to the cable operator that they should provide English cartoon channels also here.
But I speak in English with them.
Okay, very good.
My elder daughter is very interested in learning English. My younger one is that much.
Younger one is actually
Not-
too young. Yeah. When you put them in the next academic year, which class will the elder one go in? Class 1.
First, yes, madam.
She will not have to do nursery and KG and everything. She will
No, madam. I taught her LKG books, UKG books also.
Okay. Will they
Now
take the
she's-
interview and test?
Yes, madam. They will conduct a test. If she is selected, then she will go in first standard. Otherwise, again we need to prepare her for the next exam. Like if she is not good at exam, then they will reject the admission.
You will have to wait for another year.
Not another year. They will give some time, like 1 month or
Okay.
15 days.
Yeah.
Like
You will have to
within the
prepare her really well so that she gets through
Yes,
the entrance
madam.
exam.
Yes, here getting the admissions is not a piece of cake, madam. It's very strict,
Mhm.
and yeah, there are so many students in each class. Like in first standard, there are 12 or 8, minimum 8 sections for only first standard.
Okay.
Each section, the strength is 30, minimum 30, maximum 50.
Maximum 50,
So,
50, which is quite
Yes,
a lot actually. There should be less children in the class.
if we compare the study like India to Qatar, means it's quite different here.
They teach a lot in class 1.
Maybe I don't know.
How will you prepare her for entrance exam? Do you know the syllabus?
No, actually, I am thinking that they must be conduct like grade 2, KG2 syllabus, like
Right.
addition, subtraction.
Yeah,
Um,
since she's going in class 1, she should know the nursery KG syllabus well. If she knows that well, I think she can then clear the entrance exam. You have applied in many schools?
There are so many schools, madam. We cannot decide in which school we have to enroll.
Okay.
But we will do our best. We always try to make them give best study.
You will always try to provide them with the best education.
Yes, best education.
So Maya, it was so nice talking to you. I would wish you luck that you get a very good job here and your children also get admitted in the next academic year. So all the best.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Nice talking to you too, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, madam. Bye.